Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open SQL Server Management Studio and focus on connecting to a server. Click Connect and choose the server name shown by your admin. Select Windows Authentication or SQL Server Authentication and enter your username and password. Click Connect to establish a session. Wait for Object Explorer to populate with server nodes and databases. Confirm you can expand the server and C system and user databases listed in the Object Explorer pane. Click New Query to open the query editor and begin writing SQL. Make sure to set the correct database from the Database drop-down menu first. Write Select, Insert, Update, or Delete statements using proper syntax and schema names. Use IntelliSense to speed typing and view suggestions for table and column names. Execute queries with F5 or the Execute button and review messages and result grids. Enable Execution Plan to analyze performance and find slow operations to optimize. Right-click a database in Object Explorer to perform backups and restores. Choose tasks, then backup to configure full or differential backup options and file destinations. Use maintenance plans or SQL agent jobs to schedule backups, integrity checks, and index maintenance automatically. Configure security by expanding security, adding logins, and assigning database roles with least privilege. Review SQL Server Agent for automated jobs and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.